Today we'll start with radical equations. Do you remember what does mean equation? Equation. We studied equations, yes?
Maybe.
Maybe. Is there any problem with the internet? Can you hear me?
Yes, we can.
Okay.
Teacher, are you at school? Or no?
What?
Are you at school or no?
You know, I cannot hear you clearly, Stanislav. What?
Teacher, are you at school right now?
No, I am in Kosovo.
Oh, okay. Well, teacher, have a nice stay there.
Thank you.
Yes, teacher, have a nice day.
Thank you.
Have a nice day, teacher. Have a nice weekend.
Thank you very much. Now let's start with radical equations. What does mean radical equation? An equation that has a variable in a radicand. Radicand is the part inside of the radical side. So here, if we have a variable, what does mean variable? An unknown. For example, if I have an x plus 2. So this one is a radical equation, which is equal to, let's say, 4. Okay? So this is a radical equation. In radicand, this part is the radicand. You have a variable, an unknown, okay? This is a radical equation. So how we solve the radical equations? What do you think? How I will solve this one? Yes? Are you here?
Photo math.
Photo math, huh? So I have a square root here. Square root of x plus 1 is equal to 3. So if I want to find x inside, I can take square of both sides. Okay? And then I will have square root of x plus 1 square is equal to 3 square, yes?
Where, yeah.
Then the square root and square will cancel each other. And we'll have, in absolute value, x plus 1 is equal to 9. Yes? Am I right?
Yeah.
Now, in this case, because we have an absolute value here, okay, I will have two different solutions. Yes, x plus 1, 9, or x plus 1 minus 9. Am I right?
Yes.
Yes. So x in the first one, x will be 9 minus 1, which is x is equal to 8. In the second one, what I will get? X is equal to minus 1. So x is equal to minus 10. It's okay?
Yes, teacher, it's okay.
Okay, now it's your turn. Write this
Can I do it?
definition. Write them firstly, then, and the others while they are solving. I will ask you, Stanislav, okay?
Okay, teacher.
While you're writing, also, I will take the attendance, but firstly, let me check. Okay, we did this one.
Teacher, we should always do it with the square root.
Here we are studying the square roots. I mean, the equations with square roots. You mean to take the square of both sides?
Yes.
Yes. Guys,
Okay.
here, I showed you two ways, yes? We have x is equal to 8 and x is equal to minus 10. Then when I will check, let's check here if we found correct. When I will write instead of x 8 in the question, what we have square root of 8 plus 1 if it is equal to 3. I'm checking, okay? Then what I have square root of 9, which is 3. But when I will write instead of x minus 10, what I will get? Minus 10 plus 1. And I will get in the square root minus 9. It's okay like this?
Yes.
Square root of minus 9. Guys, are you here? Are you listening? Are you...
Teacher, it
Yes,
will be
teacher.
undefined.
So when it will
It will be
be root of minus 9, it will be
undefined.
undefined. So here we will have only one solution, the positive one, okay? We are taking only the positive one, okay?
Okay.
Okay.
While you are writing and solving, let me take the attendance. Yusuf, are you here?
Yes, yes.
Yes, yes. Anita?
Here.
Here. Alexander?
I'm here.
You're here. Eva?
Here, teacher.
Here. Elsa?
Here.
Amra?
Here.
Yona?
Here.
Here. Stephanie?
Here.
Fatih?
Here, teacher.
Fariye?
Here.
Inga?
I'm here.
Ardita?
I am here.
Arta?
I'm here.
Giovanna? No? Vesa?
Here.
Stanislav?
Yes, teacher, I'm here.
Yes. Salman?
I'm here, teacher.
Rumeysa?
Here.
Sarah?
Here.
Sarah? Here. Ermal?
I'm here.
Muhammed Hamza? Esan?
I'm here, teacher.
You're here, okay. Now Stanislav will solve the second one. Yes, Stanislav?
Well, teacher, plus, first write it again. I think that should be
Okay. Root of 3x plus 1 is equal to 5.
all 5. Then
Yes.
we put the whole thing, we square the whole thing. Yeah.
Okay. Then it will become square root of 3x plus 1
plus
square is equal to
Equals 5 squared.
5 square, or I
20,
will
yeah.
write 25.
Now we have 3x plus 1
Okay.
because the square root and the square cancel each other.
Okay.
Equals to 25.
Okay.
Now 3x equals 25 minus 1.
Okay.
And then we have x equals 8.
3x is equal to 24, x is equal to 8. Let's check if we have any mistake, because in radical equations, always you need to check your solution, what you have found, okay? So what?
Yes, I think mine was 8 too.
Great. 3 times 8 plus 1. Let's check if it will be equal to 5. 24 plus 1. So the root of 25 is equal to 5. So it's okay. Why we are checking? In these questions, it's easy. But in some questions, you may have lots of solutions. And in that cases, you have to check which one substitute, which one is the correct one. Okay? It's okay?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. I'm continuing to the next page.
Teacher, can you wait a bit?
Okay.
I'll take a screenshot.
Okay.
You can continue, teacher.
Thank you. Now we have two more examples. In the first one, what will do? What do you think?
We will no, we cannot do it.
So here, as you see, we have a radical equation or radical expression. First, this part, and then plus 3. I will take the 3 to the other side to have, in one side of the equation, to have only the radical expression. Always try to make like that. In one side, like here, 2x plus 3, I'm taking this 3 to the other side. It will be 8 minus
Minus
3.
yes.
And when we'll have in one side only the radical expression, it is easier to solve. Okay? So it will be root of 2x plus 3 is equal to 5. Now, let's see if we'll take square of both sides, it's easier for us. What it will be? I'm writing directly, it will be 2x plus 3 is equal to 25. Yes?
Yes.
Then 2x is equal to 25 minus 3. So 2x is equal to 22. Then it is 11. Check if it works. 2 times 11 plus 3 plus 3, if it is equal to 8. Then 2 times 11, it will be 22 plus 25. Root of 25 plus 3 is equal to 8. Then root of 25 is 5 plus 3 is 8. So it is okay. The solution is 11. Why I am saying that we need to take this one to the other side to have only the radical expression in one side. Look, if you're trying to solve directly as it is, plus 3 is equal to 8, and you are taking the square, it will be this one. Root of 2x plus 3 plus 3 square is equal to 64. So here you have to take the binom square, okay? You cannot do directly that square root and square will cancel each other. And here I have 9 and 64. This is not correct, okay? Don't do anything like this. Here, if you will take square, you need to take a binom square. The first one plus 2 times first one, second one, plus the square of the second one, okay? Did you understand?
Yes, teacher.
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
This week I didn't like your performance, guys. The other weeks we had better lessons, but this week, Tuesday, today, I don't know what happened, but something is not good. So this one, what will be? We have the radical expression in one side. Yes, Alexander? Guys, are you here?
Yes.
Yes, teacher, yes.
Okay, then direct
Yes, teacher. I
take
have to.
square. Yes, then it will become square
X
of x squared plus 12 square, and
is equal
here
to
x plus 6
square.
square.
So it
Now
will be
square root and square will cancel each other.
x square plus 12
Yes, here
equal to x square plus 36.
no. You have binom square here. So it will be x squared plus 2 times x times 6
Plus 6.
square, which is 36. Then what we have, x squared
X
plus 12 is equal to
square
x squared
plus 36.
x plus 36. Now this x squared and this one will cancel each other.
So it will be 12.
I will take 36 to this side. 12 minus 36 is equal to 12x, it will be.
12x is equal to minus 24.
24. So
X
equal to
minus
minus. Two.
minus
Let's check if it's correct. I'm checking here. What we have, root of x squared, which is minus 2 squared plus 12, is equal to minus 2 plus 6. So what we have here, minus 2 squared, it's 4 plus 16. 16, I'm saying, sorry. 12 is equal to 4. So what we have, root of 16 is equal to 4. So it's okay. Our solution is minus 2. Okay?
Teacher, can you go up a little bit?
Yes,
Thank you.
yes. I can wait to finish. It's okay? Did you understand?
yes.
Yes, teacher.
Teacher, should we write the part that you check the equation?
Yes, yes. Always also you have to check the solutions, okay?
Then teacher, can you go a little down?
Okay.
Sure. Can you go a little up?
Aman beata.
It's okay. Like this.
Okay.
Okay.
If it's okay, I will continue to the next page.
Wait, teacher, 1 second.
Okay.
Okay, continue, teacher.
Now here we have another question. But here, as you see, we have two radical expressions.
It's so harder.
In these cases, directly you can take the square of both sides as it is, but it will be very long solution. But what we need to do, we will take one of the radical expression to the other side, and it will become root of 4x plus 1 is equal to root of 5x minus 1, okay?
Yeah, because it is minus, it will be plus on the other side.
Yes, because it's minus, it will be plus in the other side. Then we'll take the square of both sides, and then it will become root of 4x plus 1 square is equal to root of 5x minus 1 square. Then these two will cancel each other. And then we have 4x plus 1 is equal to 5x minus 1. Now, you know, unknowns one side, knowns to the other side. So I will have 1 plus 1 is equal to 5x minus 4x, which is 2 is equal to x. And let's check if it is correct. 4 times 2 plus 1 minus 5 times 2 minus 1, this is plus, is equal to 0. Let's check if it will be. What we have here, 8 plus 1 minus 10 minus 1 is equal to 0. So we have root of 9 minus root of 9. So it is correct. Okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Are you writing?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Now we started to the second lesson, I think.
Yes.
Now, Besan, are you here?
Yes, teacher.
Still here, writing.
Okay.
Hamza is not again. Erman?
Yeah, teacher.
Yes. Sarah?
Yes.
Yes. Mesa?
Yes, here.
Here. Okay. Salman?
I'm here, teacher.
You're here. Stanislav?
Yes, teacher.
Yes. Vesa?
Here.
Here. Giovanna?
Teacher, you wanna have problem with electricity?
Okay.
Uh,
Arta?
all of the.
Arta?
I'm here, teacher.
Okay. Ardita?
I am here, teacher.
Yusuf, ne yaparsın Yusuf? Tringa?
I'm here.
Kibariye?
Here.
Fatih?
Here, teacher.
Stephanie?
Here.
Yona?
Here.
Amra?
Here.
Elza?
Here.
Am I pronouncing your name correctly, Elza? Elza or Elza?
Yes, teacher. It's
Yes.
Elsa.
Okay. Eva?
I'm here.
Alexander?
Here.
Oh, Yusuf. Oh, Yusuf. Anita?
Here, teacher.
And Yusuf, of course.
Teacher Yusuf, you.
Of course, here.
Here.
We can see. Yes. Did you finish writing?
Yes, teacher.
Hocam kapattınız beni, yazamam hiçbir şey.
Yusuf Güresin buradan eserttir.
Oh. Hocam ders bitti galiba.
Yok be Yusuf, da biraz var. Var da bir 20 dakika.
İyi o zaman.
Biraz,
Tamam.
hadi. Now guys, here we have some radical equations that we need to solve. And I am giving you an opportunity to choose which one I will solve. Which one you want me to solve?
O and P, teacher.
O. Seni gidi seni. Okay. So what do you think? Salman choose O to solve, and he thinks that it's very hard because it's cube root.
No, teacher, we will multiply with the cube, and then it will be easier to solve.
With
Yes.
teacher.
Because in the other
Teacher H.
examples, we had square roots and we're taking the square of both sides. Now here we have cube root. So what we'll do?
We'll take the cube.
The cube of both sides. Yes?
Yeah.
And then it will become cube root of 3x plus 2 cube is equal to cube root of 5x cube. Then this will cancel each other. And what we have? 3x plus 2 is equal to 5x. I'm taking 3x to the other side. 2 is equal to 5x minus 3x, which is 2x. Then x is equal to 1. And when we'll check, what we have, cube root of 3 times 1 plus 2 is equal to cube root of 5 times 1. So what we have, cube root of 3 plus 2 is equal to cube root of 5, which is cube root of 5 is equal to cube root of 5. Okay? It's the same logic. You will take fourth power of both sides and you will cancel the radical signs. Yes? I want you to solve L, Salman, for me. And the
Me, teacher. Okay.
But Salman will help me to write, and at the same time, the others, please solve the question.
Teacher, we firstly write the equation as it is.
Okay, but let's solve a bit. Let's give a time to your friends.
Which one?
Teacher, should I do it also in my notebook?
Yes.
Okay.
Which one, teacher?
L.
Oh. Can I solve it, teacher?
I will solve it.
I said for Salman, if you will have time, you can choose one more, Alex,
Okay.
to solve. For example, I want you to try, not only Alexander, all of you, if you have finished L, to try K. What will be in K? You ready, Salman?
Yes, teacher.
Right. L. I'm
Teacher,
writing
okay.
x
Right,
squared plus 1 is equal to 2 minus
2 minus x. Teacher, now we multiply both sides. We actually square
take
them.
square. Yes, take
Yes.
square of both sides.
Both sides. And teacher, now in the first side, in the left
Yes,
side, actually,
yes.
we free it, which will be x to the power of 2 plus 1.
Okay,
And in the other side, it will be 2 to the power of 2
okay.
minus 2 times 6. 2 times
2
2x
times x, yes.
x plus x to the power of 2.
Plus x squared. Then let's write, we have x squared plus
And
1 is equal
yeah,
to 4 minus
4
4x.
for x plus x2. Now, teacher, x to the power of 2, will cancel each other.
Yes.
And now, teacher, we will have 4x in the on the left side.
Okay, 4x is equal
And 4 minus 1.
4 minus 1.
Which should be
3.
3.
Yes.
And x is equal to 3 over 4.
3 over 4. So for this one, guys, again, you need to check, but now we don't have too much time. Okay, I want to solve also K for you. You have to check 3 over 4. You need to write instead of x and check if it is correct or not. Okay.
Okay.
Now in K, did anyone put it with K?
Can I?
Yes, Alexander. Let me.
You should just don't delete the check
L.
part. Okay.
Okay. This check part. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Now K. Yes, Alexander. What do you think? What we'll do in first step? What we need to do? We have two radical expressions, and here we have a number in the other side. Everyone who has an opinion can tell what we need to do.
With the power of 2, teacher?
Take?
The power of 2, we will do them like the other example we had.
Yes, we can take, but we have two radical signs here, and the binomial square of
Teacher, we can also leave it there, I think.
as it is.
Or not?
I will
Yes.
show you how it will be if you will do like that. I will show you x plus 3 plus root of x minus 2 square is equal to 5 square. You mean this one, yes?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, yeah.
Okay. So when you will take the square of this left side, what will be? What do you think? How it will be?
Of the left side. Oh.
So the square of the first one
X plus 3, teacher.
plus
Square plus
or
x
directly
minus
plus
x square.
X plus 3.
2 times x.
2 times root of x plus 3 times root of x minus 3 minus 2 you will have plus root of x minus 2 square is equal to 25. Okay?
Yes. Okay.
If you will do like this, you have longer solution as I said. But my opinion is, I was waiting from you that one, to take one of the radical expression to the other side. In each side, to have one radical expression. Okay? So our question will be root of x plus 3 is equal to 5 minus root of x minus 2. Now when I will take the square of both sides, what I will get, x plus 3 is equal to, here I have 5 minus root of x minus 2 square. Don't forget, when you have subtraction or addition of two terms and square of them, you have to use binom square always. So this part will be x plus 3 is equal to 5 square, which is 25, minus 2 times 5 times root of x minus 2, and then plus this part. Let me write x minus 2 square, okay? Now square and square root will cancel each other, and what we have, x plus 3 is equal to 25 minus 10 root of x minus 2, and here I have plus x minus 2. Now this plus x and this x will cancel each other, and now I am taking all the knowns in one side and the unknowns in the other side. So this one will be, when I will take this one, look, to the other side it will be 10 root of x minus 2 is equal to, here what I have, 25 minus 2, and I'm taking this 3 to the other side, it will be minus 3. Now what we have, 10 root of x minus 2 is equal to 25 minus 2, 23 minus 3, 20. Now I can divide, I can simplify 10 and 20, and it will be root of x minus 2 is equal to 2. Now, see, still I have the radical expression. So one more time, I will take the square of it, and it will be x minus 2 is equal to 4. And then I'm taking 2 to the other side, and x will be 6.
Plus 2.
Again, we need to check if 6 satisfies the equation. So let's see what it will be. I will write directly here. Root of 6 plus 3 is equal to 5 minus root of 6 minus 2. So what it will be, what I will have here, root of 9 is equal to 5 minus root of 4. Root of 9 is 3 is equal to 5 minus 2, 3. So 6 is the solution. Okay? Did you understand?
Yes.
Teacher, where did you check it? Because I can see.
This yellow one,
Okay.
because I don't have place here. So when you have two radical expressions in your question, you have to be careful while you are taking the square, okay? Please.
We should always take it to the other side because it will be
Yes.
easier.
Yes, yes. If you want, we can solve also in that case how it was to take directly the square. If you want to see the solution, how it will be. Because we have 3 minutes.
No.
Yes.
Yes.
So if you have written this one, not to start with the new topic, I can solve you and that way to show you how it will be. Again, you will get the solution as 6.
Okay, teacher, solve it.
Can I clean this one?
Yes.
Now, if we are taking the square directly, it will become root of x plus 3 plus root of x minus 2 square is equal to 5 square, we said. Now the first one square will cancel the square root, and I'm writing directly x plus 3. Then I have plus 2 times root of x plus 3 times root of x minus 2. Then here in the other side, I have plus x minus 2 is equal to 25. It's okay till here, the binom square.
Yes.
Yes. Now I'm taking the like terms, x with x, I have 2x. 3 and 2, I will have plus 1. And here I have 2 times. Can I write them in the same radical sign? It will become x plus 3 times x minus 2 is equal to 25. Now I'm taking, to have in one side only the radical sign, I will take these terms to the other side and I will get 2 times what I will get here, x squared plus 3x minus 2x minus 6. Am I right?
Yes.
So 25 minus 2x minus 1. And then this one is 2 times root of x squared plus x minus 6. And in this part, we have 24 minus 2x. Can I simplify by 2 all the side?
Yes.
I will get root of x squared plus x minus 6 is equal to 12 minus x. Now, as you see, I have only one radical sign and I can take the square of both sides again. And it will become x squared plus x minus 6 is equal to 12 squared, which is 144, minus 24x plus x squared. Then this one and this one will cancel each other. I will take 24x to this side. It will be 24x plus x is equal to 144 plus 6. 25x is equal to 150. So x is equal to 6, as you see. But bigger numbers, more. Which way is easier for you? That way you will use, okay? See you.
Okay.